Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are sharing our stay at DoubleTree by Hilton Putrajaya Lakeside in Malaysia. After a long journey from Bangladesh, this was our first hotel and it gave us a great first impression. This is the DoubleTree by Hilton Putrajaya. It is situated beside the riverside of Putrajaya and one of the most famous 5-star brand hotel of Putrajaya. The hotel is located just beside Putrajaya Lake in a quiet and peaceful area. The surroundings are beautiful and perfect for relaxing. I booked in this hotel for 95 USD per night by agoda.com, and I think I got a very cheap rate. They have infinity pool, kids pool, jacuzzi and a flash pool for the kids also. The hotel also has a restaurant, actually more than one restaurant, a fitness center, a card room, playroom for the kids, and plenty of open space for families, friends, and a lot of space for taking pictures, beautiful sceneries, and more. This is the breakfast section. The breakfast was excellent. There was a good mix of Malaysian and international food with plenty of choices of everyone.
গেস্ট আছে তো বাস না বাবা অনেক জায়গা আছে এইখানে একটা টেবিলে বসো
If you are looking for a relaxing hotel near Kuala Lumpur International Airport or in Putrajaya or planning to visit Putrajaya, we can definitely recommend DoubleTree by Hilton Putrajaya Lakeside. I think you will never regret. If you ask me to give a rating, I will do for 9.5 out of 10. Thank you for watching this. If you enjoyed this review, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.